Listen to me till the end and make sure to ask ChatGPT. Hey everyone, did you know that believing only in the heliocentric theory conflicts with Einstein's principle of general relativity? This is the key point. All general coordinate systems in four-dimensional spacetime are equivalent, and all physical laws are invariant under transformations between coordinate systems. The core of this statement is the idea that all general coordinate systems in four-dimensional spacetime are equivalent. And this is why the belief that the geocentric theory is wrong, and only the heliocentric theory is right, is actually a mistaken notion. When you view Earth's rotation and revolution from a non-inertial frame of reference, from the perspective of general relativity, you must look at the geocentric model where the sky seems to move, and the heliocentric model where the Earth is moving from an equal standpoint, just as we consider relative motion in classical mechanics. However, thinking that the geocentric model is wrong, and the heliocentric model is the only correct one is a misconception, because it judges from the perspective of looking at Earth from outside, treating it as an absolute reference frame, which contradicts Einstein's general relativity. In other words, you can't definitively say whether the sky is moving geocentric model or the Earth is moving heliocentric model just from one of these viewpoints. It is clear that there is motion, but from Earth's surface, the sky seems to move, and from outside Earth, it looks like the Earth is moving. And both perspectives should be viewed equally in a relative sense. Of course, the concepts of the geocentric and heliocentric models today are different from the ones that Copernicus presented when he overthrew the geocentric theory. So, the evidence that was presented back then to disprove the geocentric model cannot be used to refute what I've explained above. Look it up on Google. It's an ebook from U-Paper Publishing. It's right there in Diokin's book, Geometry Theory, The Theory of Sky and Earth. Diokin says that, beyond the concept of general relativity, the view from Earth, where the sky seems to move, and the view from outside Earth, where the Earth seems to move, are both not objective facts, but rather subjective metaverse phenomena. This idea first appeared in his ebook Metaverse Universe. Ask ChatGPT right now if it agrees with Diokin's argument. Should the geocentric and heliocentric theories be viewed as equal, according to general relativity, or is it correct to only accept the heliocentric theory as true? Don't forget, just because the heliocentric theory is convenient, doesn't mean it's the only correct one. If ChatGPT confirms that Diokin's view is correct, this will be a paradigm shift.